No offense, but your girlfriend is a total jerk. What are you talking about? No, really, what are you talking about? How have you not noticed? Some of my friends said they've gotten threats by her. Like, back away from her friends, her boyfriends, stuff like that. Because she said she could bury them alive or something. She's really like that? Well, Hunter did tell me she was a little bit off. A little bit? Well, kind of. I have a lot of thinking to do. But are you coming to the party? Okay. By the way, where's something nice? Like what? I don't know, it's up to you. What am I gonna wear? I don't know. Oh, what about this? It's the costume I wore last year to Halloween. I still think it would look really cool. Oh my gosh, you came. Of course. Whoa, this party is crazy. Oh, thank you for coming. And by the way, nice costume. I love how you're like an evil queen of some sort. Yeah, couldn't decide. Everyone be quiet. Shut up, be quiet, whatever. Your queen has arrived. Oh, I'm not a queen. It's just my birthday. It's nothing that special or that important. Yes, everyone worship me. Ah, great. Not another one of these. What are you talking about, Therese? She does this every single birthday party. What? Like this whole worship me thing. Hey, Cupid, can we talk? In private? Why not? Why can't we just stay here? Because I have to tell you something kind of personal. Kind of stuff. Oh, okay. What is it? I have to tell you something that you may not like. What's that? I'm breaking up with you. What? You heard me right. I'm breaking up with you. Why would you do that? Is there like another girl or something that suddenly come into your life and interested you or something? No, it's just that I keep hearing that you're a bad person and I can't take that. I don't know if I can trust you anymore. Oh, you can always trust me, baby. I'm sorry. I'm breaking up with you. There's nothing you can do about it. Really? On my birthday? That boy has got some serious problems. What's the matter? Boy trouble. Oh. What did you do this time? But nothing. Absolutely nothing. Hey, who's that walking past Dexter? Is she talking to him? Sure looks like it. So, you wanna like go someplace sometime or something? I don't know. I was just trying to find a bathroom and I saw you break up with Cupid. Why would you do that? I think I found someone better. And who would that be? Is it someone I know? Yeah, I think so. But I didn't see you at school. What just happened? Oh my grim. This means war.